really inspired me because it made me understand more the importance of having a family, a synergistic flow with each other. And all of you that are here today, I don't know if you realize what we really have our hands on, but if you really do, give yourselves a hand clap. And you know, one of the things I love about being positive, you know, Mr. Bob Q yesterday fired me up. You know, I almost jumped up here. I wanted to maintain my composure. But when he talked about thoughts becoming things, he talked about holding the right attitude, the right thoughts in your mind, and how important that is to really attract the right people into your life. That's really big. He mentioned Mr. Waddles. And I want to give you another book you need to really look at. It's Joseph Murphy. You want to write that down. You want to go buy that book, because I want you to know this team, this company will be built differently than any other network marketing company under the sun, because we've got a different flow, a different energy, a different vibe. And that's why it's so important for all of us to stay together, work together without having any kinds of odds or differential ideas about one another. We're all one family, one team. Let's love each other.